about humanity. About humanity.
I cannot find.
This message was from the St. Paul Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 5:47 p.m. today, people have spotted an unknown human roaming around St. Paul. This person has pale white skin, black hair, burnt eyelids, gray eyebrows, and its lips are cut off from the left and right to make it look like he is smiling. Please stay away from this person at all times, as it could be armed and dangerous. Please tune to outlets for updates as they follow.
Leave me alone. I'm busy. Okay.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the St. Paul Police Department. An Amber Alert has been declared for St. Paul until 6:50 p.m. local. A light male marked Edna, age 12, vivid hair, wearing a SpongeBob SquarePants hoodie with blue jeans has been abducted. The license plate for the abductor is J626K6. This abductor could be the unknown human spotted earlier. If you have seen the child, call 911 immediately. Tune into updates as they follow. The following message is transmitted by the request of the St. Paul Police Department. This is an update to the alert issued about an hour ago. The child is now found dead. Repeat, the child is now found dead. The Amber Alert will now be canceled due to this. It was also found that the abductor was the unknown human spotted earlier today. It was found out that his name is Jeffrey Woods, a 60-year-old white man. It was also found out that his nickname is Jeff the Killer. Please stay away from him at all times as he is armed and dangerous. Tune into updates as they follow.
So far ahead.
Following message was transmitted by the request of the St. Paul Police Department. Jeff the Killer has now killed more people in St. Paul and the surrounding areas. It was calculated that Jeff the Killer could spread to the whole state of Minnesota in the next 5 hours. It is advised that people cover all glass windows and stay quarantined for the rest of the day. Tune into media outlets to stay updated on the situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Wadena County Police Department. A 16-year-old male named Jeffrey Woods, but is nicknamed Jeff the Killer, who was found in St. Paul and is now about to spread through all of Minnesota. It is now past half of Minnesota. Jeff the Killer has pale white skin that might have came from toxins, burnt eyelids, black hair, a white hoodie with black straps on it, black pants and shoes, and its lips are cut off from the left and right of him to make it look like he is smiling. If you see Jeff the Killer, stay away from him at all costs, as it will whisper through your ear saying go to sleep, and then it will stab you with his knife. All people that live in counties from Wadena to Ramsey are advised to seek shelter for the rest of the day. Cover all windows, as it can attract Jeff the Killer to get in your home and kill you. Tune into updates as they follow.
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a statewide alert. Important instructions will follow.
The governor of Minnesota will be speaking on all stations shortly. Please stand by.
Greetings. I am the governor of Minnesota. Due to microphones not being available as of right now, this message will be using text-to-speech. This is a statewide emergency to all Minnesota residents. As you heard, a human that has pale white skin, burnt eyelids, gray eyebrows, lips cut off from the left and right to make it look like he is smiling, a white hoodie, and black pants has been wreaking havoc and was killing anyone in its path. It is unknown why he started killing people, but we just know that his abilities are above ours. Blood-curdling screams, or even blood itself, could have been witnessed across the whole state of Minnesota. And as I am sorry to say, well, death rates in Minnesota are rapidly increasing by the second due to this event. Some other bad news is that he has knowingly teleportation methods to wreak havoc across the whole state of Minnesota. Which means that Jeff has also killed people in the surrounding states of Minnesota and has a high chance of wreaking havoc across the whole country. I advise everyone to seek shelter for the rest of the day until this situation has been taken care of. If he comes to you, there is however a method to save your life from him. This method is to play happy-style music, as this will be his weakness. But it is not yet confirmed if this will fully function properly. Which means I advise everyone to lock and seal all doors, windows, and cracks in their home until this has been taken care of. A national alert will be played on the air shortly. Please stand by.
Some odors you just can't ignore. And unlike some air fresheners that just use perfume, Febreze Air Effects has a patented technology to eliminate odors, and it leaves a fresh scent. Now that's a breath of fresh air.
Emergency action notification for the whole United States. Stand by as the U.S. President will be speaking on all stations shortly. The following message has been given authorization of myself and the U.S. government. This is a national emergency for the whole U.S. and D.C. As you heard, a person named Jeffrey Woods, the nickname Jeff the Killer, has been wreaking havoc in Minnesota and the surrounding states. As this person had unknowingly teleportation methods, this person could wreak havoc across the whole country, which has already started. I will now direct you to a shortened version of the message that the Minnesota governor sent to play on all stations across the U.S. and D.C. Please stand by.
Greetings. I am the governor of Minnesota. Due to microphones not being available as of right now, this message will be using text-to-speech. As you heard, a human that has pale white skin, burnt eyelids, gray eyebrows, lips cut off from the left and right to make it look like he is smiling, a white hoodie, and black pants has been wreaking havoc and was killing anyone in his path. It is unknown why he started killing people, but we just know that his abilities are above ours. Blood-curdling screams, or even blood itself, could have been witnessed. I advise everyone to seek shelter for the rest of the day until this situation has been taken care of. If he comes to you, there is however a method to save your life from him. This method is to play happy-style music, as this will be his weakness. But it is not yet confirmed if this will fully function properly. Which means I advise everyone to lock and seal all doors, windows, and cracks in their home until this has been taken care of.
Where is he lurking at? Where is he?